guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Doesn't matter, germs travel. Yeah, to Angela's point though, again, my clients telling me, well, it's on the other side of the building, you good. I'm like, no, I'm not. And she's right, germs travel. That's what Jeffrey said. Well, that's how outbreaks start. That's exactly what he said. So anyway, Angela says, I'm a long-term facility surveyor. Wear your mask. Oh, wow. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. Beauty is my forte. Says, hey, my sister. 50 pages. Yeah, it was 50, Angela, but I only had to notarize 3. But I had to wait till she went through them. And then, me doing the most. I said, well, let's double check it. I double checked my 3 that I actually notarized, but I also wanted her to double check her packet and make sure we didn't miss anything. Now, was I required to do that? No. But again, being the business owner that I am and the notary boss that I am and the coach that I am, I know that I want to make sure her documents are correct to the best of my ability, okay? And the other piece of that is each page needed to be initialed from both of them. So I wasn't sticking around for that either, but I did tell her several times to double check her work because I want to make sure, again, I'm helping her. I want to make sure it's facilitated. I'm not her attorney, because she did ask me a couple questions about something. I said, well, I can't really tell you about that. I can't guide you on that. So, but it was 50 pages, but I only had to notarize 2. Raina next door says, right, Beauty is my forte is in Jonesboro. What's up? We needed a job done in Jonesboro. Was it yesterday, guys? Somebody needed a notary in Jonesboro in our group chat. So we have a group chat that we, help you with your signings if you have a signing in real time, or if you just want to drop whatever's going on in your business. If you need some, another notary or need a witness. So somebody did need someone in Jonesboro yesterday. Thank you, Lori. Like and subscribe, people. Oh, thank you, Angela. She says the red flower looks great. Thank you. It's a little bigger than I normally wear, but I had a white one, and I was like, well, let me just go ahead and put that red on. I don't know if y'all ever saw my work shirts. Do you guys have t-shirts for your business? I love these shirts. I need some new ones. I love these shirts. Do y'all have shirts for your business? Always marketing, so when I get out the car, they know who's coming in. Okay, again, happy Notary Day. I meant hot. Yes, be careful. Scabies and bed bugs, not to be scare anyone. Too late for that one. Look, too late for that one. S. Abdul, you are on 78. Yes, I am. Angela says, thank you, Coach Kimmi. I appreciate you. You're so welcome. S. Abdul, I think I saw before I went live, you had a question in the chat about the mystery shopping course. Yes, it is up, and there were 3 or 4 announcements that went in the chat about it too. I do believe that was you. I can't check the chat because I'm live on my phone, but I think it was you that asked that question. And the mystery shopping course is coming for everybody soon. But yes, it is already in mentorship, but of course you guys are going to get it first. So let me tell you a little bit about mentorship really quick. Our program that we're offering, Notary Business Success. And then I'm going to come back and tell you my other story, because I got 2 more actually. One about apostilles and something that happened yesterday. I can go live every day, all day. I got stories for days. Okay, so anyway, mentorship. Notary Business Success, we meet every single week. We have 2 entry points for you, $27 or $47. And that allows you the 27 to access to your main core courses. And then the 47 is a whole kit and caboodle, all-inclusive package, all your courses, your live trainings, the group chat, everything, okay? Both of them include templates. So just take your time, read both options, See which one works best for you. You can always upgrade, but you have to wait till the following month, or you'll be paying 27 plus the 47 if you decide before the month is up. So kind of take your time really with the descriptions, because what I'm finding is some people are signing up for the $27 plan, but they really want the $47 benefits. So just take your time. Again, you may not be ready for everything in the $47 package, and that's okay. It's just like your cable. You start out with your basic, and then you're like, you know what, I want some additional features. I want some additional whatever. So, you could do that, okay? Oh, thank you. Yeah, and I'm Coach Kimmi with a K, Angela. I became Coach Kimmi a few days ago because I'm rolling out a new business coming out soon, a new business ventures called Creators Club with Kimmi. I'll tell you about it later. But anyway, so now I go by Coach Kimmi. Coach Kimmi. It's just traffic everywhere. Just everywhere. So anyway, no, but the t-shirt is a great idea. Yeah, thank you. So I wear my t-shirts on loan signings. I wear them everywhere. Now, if I'm going to a bank, sometimes I'll dress up a little bit more. But most of the time, if I'm just going out doing regular signings, I wear my t-shirts. The people go crazy. I have a hot pink one. This guy just crossed over. He almost ended up in a ditch. You see that? He just crossed over 3 lanes. So anyway, so S. Abdul, I am on 78, headed toward the Apostille office. I don't know if you've been there before or not. I know you're new to mentorship, but I'm on my way to the Apostille office. So in addition to that, mentorship, that's what I was telling you. So yeah, so check it out. You don't have to wait and start at the beginning of the month. You can start today. You can start right now. So if you're seriously interested in learning the business, you have your commission, you don't know what to do, you're looking to build your confidence, you're looking for a community that will actually support you in real time, 7 days a week. Our chat runs 7 days a week. Check out Notary Business Success, okay? And you can sign up right now. Go to notaryeducators.com, okay? notaryeducators.com, and you can sign up as we speak. And then we'll see you over in the chat. Our next session will be next week. The schedule also is already uploaded to notaryeducators.com, so you can see what our schedule is, what we'll be talking about. Anything that you've heard me mention and you've missed it, there's always the replay, so you can catch those, okay? Tell me what you all would do. My signal went out. Thank you, Angela. Yes, Coach Kimmi with a K. So what do in the situation, okay? Angela says, I need to learn apostille. I deal with documents every day. For some reason, I'm nervous to get started. Once you know a little bit about it, it'll help break some of the nerves. So check out the apostille course. I don't think you're in mentorship, Angela, so you can get the apostille course at 60% off for everybody. Matter of fact, I'm going to still use coupon code Friday. When I remember, it's a bonus. I don't remember every day because I be talking about so much stuff. If you're listening to this live, you can use coupon code Friday, Friday, even if you're on the replay. And you can get 70% off all the courses, okay? 70% off all the courses. Coupon code Friday. And that's the apostille course, the ink fingerprinting course, all of them. Notarize like a pro, everything. If you're listening to this today, okay? Coupon code is Friday. 70% off. Yeah, I think it's 70% off coupon code Friday. So anyway, what would you guys do in this situation, okay? A friend calls you, and y'all really good friends, and they say, hey, my daughter needs a document notarized. She's already signed it. She's at work. I'm trying to get to the insurance company so I can get it notarized. Drop it off rather. And she's practically begging me to do it. And I tell her, I said, no, she needs to be in front of me. Because she's your good friend, would you do it anyway? You know her. You know the daughter. Would you do it? Let me get y'all questions. Angela says, I need mentorship. Yeah, well, the apostille course is included in the mentorship. All of the courses, 17 of them now, are included in the mentorship, plus the weekly live training, plus the group session, the group, group chat. and everything you need literally to do your business. Okay, people are making money, y'all. So if you're not making no money with your commission, you need to be in the Notary Business Success community. Okay, we do, because we're growing businesses over there. We're not doing flash. We're not doing flash. We ain't. You can make 10,000 a month. Woo woo woo. No, we are the slow, easy way. The slow, easy way. You got to know what you're doing. Then you have to get your commission. Then you have to know what you're doing. Like literally, you can't just wing this to, can't fake it till you make it. It's a lot that goes involved, but it's not hard,